If your FPS keeps dropping mid-game, your GPU isn't dying. A corrupted shader cache from a recent driver or Windows update is wrecking your frame pacing. This reset fixes Nvidia FPS drops and performance issues, and you won't need a new graphics card. From your desktop, right-click, click Show More Options, open Nvidia Control Panel, or search it in the Start menu. Once it opens, click Manage 3D Settings on the left, then the Global Settings tab, scroll down to Shader Cache Size, open the dropdown, and set it to Disabled. If there's no disabled option, pick Driver Default. Then restart. The cache only clears on a reboot. Once it reboots, open the Nvidia app, drivers on the left, and download the latest game-ready driver. After you install it, open Disk Cleanup to clean up system files. Check DirectX Shader Cache. Deleting it clears your cache shaders and your game rebuilds them on next launch. So hit OK and delete files. Back into Nvidia Control Panel, the shader cache size, and set it to driver default. And click Apply and restart one more time. Once it's back up, your FPS drops and performance issues are gone. Smooth frames, no new hardware. If this helped, let me know down in the comments below.